Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my video, and today I'll be showing you how you can make a lot of money online. So I'm using Influencers Earn, that is a network, and as you can see here, I have made so far $21,000 through doing tasks and referrals. And there are people even making more money than me. They're making millions already. But that is besides the point. So the website is called influencersearn.com, and the way that you can make money is by referring friends, by sharing your referral link, and also completing tasks. So one of the ways that I've made a lot of money is actually by completing tasks. And tasks usually involved downloading and installing apps, so it's pretty easy. They're official apps, so they're not some kind of virus from the Google Play and the App Store. And also surveys. These are free apps. You can basically download them. You then have to run them for 30 seconds. And then you will get the credit into your account. So this is iHeartRadio. This is one app here. And I will show you how to do it. So we're going to press continue. And then we're going to download this app. So we're going to press on download here. And as you can see, this is an official app. This is iHeartRadio. And also a game, for example. So Solitaire Deluxe 2, as you can see here. We're also going to download it. So we can download actually 2 apps at the same time, even 3 or 4, and we can do it all at the same time. So that way we can make more money per hour. So our hourly rate is going to go up. So now that one app has finished downloading, this is iHeartRadio, our goal is to have it open for 30 seconds and interact with the app. If we don't have it open for 30 seconds, or if we're not active on the app, then the system is going to think that we're a bot, and we're not going to get the $30 credits into our account. So at the moment, I'm going to create a free account on this app. And just, you can pick anything. It doesn't even have to be real information. The point is to pretend that you're interested in the app. Use it for about half a minute or so. Just select something, play something. And then that's it. Then we're done, and we're going to get the $30 credit. So it's pretty simple, very easy. So when we're finished, now we're going to open up the game, and we're going to basically play in this Solitaire Deluxe 2. We're going to play the game for about half a minute or so, and then we're also going to be done. So it's really that simple, guys. It doesn't really take a rocket science to do these offers. Some people, though, they don't follow instructions. They just download apps. They don't do anything in them, and then they wonder why they don't get any money for it. So at the moment, as you can see here, I'm playing within the app. And my goal is to show the app that I am an active user. And I didn't just use some kind of bot to download the app. Anyways, we're finished with the offers, guys. And now we're going to go back to the dashboard. And we're going to get a credit pretty soon. So sometimes it takes up to 1 minute, sometimes up to 10 minutes. At the moment, we have, as you can see here, $21,000. We have just completed 2 tasks. So we're supposed to get $60 credited into our account. So we're supposed to end up having $21,060 in earnings. So we're going to wait just for a bit right now. We're going to refresh, and soon we will get the credit. But meanwhile, while we're waiting, as you can see, I currently have 5,200 clicks and 840 referrals. That is also another way that I've made a lot of my money. So I just shared my link usually on Facebook, Instagram, also submitted YouTube videos. They pay $50 per every YouTube video that you submit. So it's pretty good money, as you can see I'm making here right now. And soon we're going to get the credit. We're going to refresh, and ta-da! There you go, guys. There is our $60 that we made within basically 5 minutes. So it's pretty awesome. So as you can see here, that's 21,060 desktop and on mobile. We have it opened. And here I will show you basically account overview. So if you go to my account, here you can basically choose your payment method. I have selected PayPal, and you can basically put in your PayPal address. And then when you go to cash out, you can basically request a payment here. I have already received 3 payments for pretty good amounts, and soon I will show you PayPal account. So as you can see, this is my payment history here. And in October, I have received almost $10,000 from them. As you can see, Influencers Earn Ltd. So this is not some kind of a fake website or something like that. And we had more, I believe in September. There it is, 7,500. And I'm supposed to get one more, supposed to have gotten one more in August. 3,700, guys. So as you can see, this is an amazing way to make money.